Are you struggling with Lumion LiveSync not working and seeing a host file error? Don't worry, I will show you step by step how to fix this in just a few minutes, so your LiveSync can work perfectly with SketchUp, Revit or any other software. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official. Tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. The first thing you need to do is to uninstall the LiveSync. Click on Extension Manager, click on Manage. Now uninstall the Lumion LiveSync. Close it, then close the SketchUp. Open your File Explorer, then your local files. Click on Windows, scroll down to System 32. Open it, scroll down to Drivers. Open it. Open etc. Right click and create a new folder. Continue. Rename the folder to Lumion. Select the host. Right click and cut it. Now open the Lumion folder and paste the host file. Click continue. Now restart your computer. After restarting your computer, open SketchUp. If you are looking for how to install Lumion LiveSync for SketchUp or for Revit, I've made a video of how to download and install it. Check the top screen or the end screen, or you can check in the description section so you see how to install it correctly. Now you need to install the LiveSync. Click on Extension Manager, click Install Extension. Open the folder you saved the LiveSync, select it, open. We have it here. Close the Extension Manager. Click on the play button to start. That is just it. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you'll be notified each time we post an interesting video like this. Thank you so much for watching.